The jury will be back in the courtroom in a few hours in the trial of former Uvalde CISD police officer Adrian Gonzalez. Now, they got a break on Wednesday as the defense requested a mistrial after only one day of testimony. Senior crime and justice reporter Rebecca Lopez was in court for what happened.
Victims' families from the Robb Elementary School shooting lashed out at prosecutors after surprise testimony from a key witness nearly derailed this trial. Defense attorneys asked for a mistrial. The judge denied that, but did say that prosecutors were negligent in their actions. Families of the Robb Elementary School shooting victims left the courtroom relieved, but angry with prosecutors.
It caught us again by surprise, and I mean, if there was the one word that I could say about their team, is incompetent.
Defense attorneys asked for a mistrial after a prosecution witness testified she saw the shooter before he entered Robb Elementary, something she'd never said before. Defense attorneys argued prosecutors failed to disclose that information, further frustrating families.
To get their act together, to work with the witnesses.
In court, the Uvalde County District Attorney acknowledged she had not reviewed the witnesses' Texas Ranger interviews or her own team's notes, missing discrepancies before trial.
I had not reviewed Stephanie Hale's interview with the Rangers at the time that she appeared for trial preparation.
Defense attorneys argued jurors had already heard testimony that could damage their case, which centers on the claim Gonzalez never saw the shooter. The new testimony placed both men in the same area.
We can't make them unhear what they heard.
After a hearing without the jury, the judge denied the mistrial but criticized prosecutors.
And I'll say for the record that I find, based upon what we heard yesterday, that this was not an intentional act. At best, it was a negligent act, or at worst.
The judge says he's now leaning towards striking the witness testimony after defense attorneys cross-examine her and expose inconsistencies to the jury. Families hope the case stays on track, while the defense attorneys say it may create reasonable doubt. In Corpus Christi, I'm Rebecca Lopez.
Testimony is scheduled to resume at 9 o'clock, and we'll have gavel-to-gavel coverage on WFA Plus beginning at 8:30. WFA Plus is free to download to your TV right now if you're not watching us there already.